Life with dogs. Riverside, Coquihalla River, Hope, BC. And these guys, look at that. They're just being dogs. The Coquihalla River, Hope, BC. Down at the end of the line is the Fraser. Ready? Okay, here you go. Ha. Life with dogs. Uh-oh, what did she find? That nose, I tell ya. Come on, Ripley, let's go! Oh, Ripley! Come on, let's go. Let's go this way. Where's Sadie Mae? Go find Sadie Mae. Jeez. You are a dawdler. Huh? What's the deal? What is there? Is there some steak or bacon? Is there bacon? No, there's no bacon in there. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. There's your buddy. Where's the other one? Oh, there it is. Okay, up. Let's go. Right, we're done with this. Time for a rest? Yeah. Time for a rest. Yeah, you're pooped, huh? Okay, let's go. You're already resting, Sadie.